Thanks for joining the Discovery Center as we discover at home.
Hey everybody, Mandy here at the Discovery Center with Allison and Ivy today, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about our Steve Spangler science kits. So right now, if you donate $35 to the Discovery Center, you can have one of these science kits. They have tons of activities and activity supplies in them. The best part is the booklet, okay? This booklet tells you how to do hundreds of science activities at home, so lots of cool things you can do. Now, there are some things in the kit that you can't find at home, and I'm going to show you one of those. One of them is called InstaSnow powder. You'll find a little bag of this cool stuff in there, and it's a polymer, and this is a liquid soaking up device. So what you're going to do is take this powder and put it in a cup, and when you add the liquid, it's actually going to soak the liquid up and become this really cool soft polymer, and I bet you're going to know what you think it is, what it's called, okay? So we're going to take, I put about a teaspoon of that powder in a cup, and I'm going to add some water and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, here it comes. So you can see it's soaking it up. Let's add a little more water. Isn't that fun? So now what you've got is this really cool powder that looks like snow. So my kids are going to show you another way to use this really cool powder. What happens if you add color to the water? Let's see, Ivy, hold out your hand. Let's see. Ready? Allison, you can take some out and pour it in your hand. So here's some right here. See that snow? It's kind of a pinkish color.
I got some yellow.
We got some yellow. Here, Ivy, what color is this one? Ready? Let's see. Oh, we got some blue snow.
Some greenish.
So just another fun way to play with this polymer. If you add water to it, it will soak up a ton of water and turn it into this really cool fluffy snow-like substance that's really fun to play with. And you can also add color to it to make it even more fun. Yeah, you want to try too? Alright, you can try too. So this is really cool, fun stuff to play with at home and try it out. So hop on the Discovery Center website, donate $35, we'll send you an email about how to pick up your kit.